This small island from India is making big headlines. Bitra Island is the smallest inhabited island in Lakshadweep. It is home to only about 300 people and has a rich coral ecosystem that has thrived here for generations. But now, the government wants to take over the island. Why? To strengthen India's defense. Bitra sits at a strategic spot in the Arabian Sea, close to key trade and oil routes. China's influence is growing across the Indian Ocean. Ports like Hambantota in Sri Lanka and Gwadar in Pakistan are part of China's string of pearls, giving it influence over the seas India depends on. Now, a defense base on Bitra could strengthen India's naval presence. It would help India keep an eye on the region and protect its waters. But this plan comes at a cost. The people of Bitra could lose their homes and the livelihoods they depend on. Many families have lived on the island for generations, and their lives are deeply tied to this place. It is also important to note that this island does not have an elected Gram Panchayat, and the residents were not consulted before these plans were announced. This means their voices are not being heard, even though the changes would affect them the most. There's also the environment to consider. Construction could damage the coral lagoon, which is fragile and vital for the island's ecosystem. On top of that, Bitra is prone to cyclones, making any kind of development even riskier. So what can we do? The key is to protect both the people of Bitra and the island's environment while supporting India's defense needs. Residents should be consulted at every step so their concerns are heard. Support must be provided for livelihoods, like helping fishermen with alternative ways to earn or jobs connected to any new development. Plans must include environmental protection to safeguard the coral lagoon and the marine life. It's a delicate balance between national security, the lives of Bitra's people, and the island's natural ecosystem. What ideas do you have to protect both India's security and the lives of Bitra's residents?